love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Whoa. So tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Whoa. Party, trying my best to meet somebody, but everybody around me's falling in love to our song.
Hey guys, it's Danny Bella. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making my bed and I will be organizing some of the stuff in my room, and I will also be cleaning up from my dog's toys because their stuffing is all over the floor and it is about time I clean my room. And now I'm just removing some of the Christmas decor that I've had on my bed for a while, and I thought it was about time that I switched my pillowcases into a fun color that would be really cool for my room.
Strangers, and when they leave I go back to our song. I hold on, hurts like heaven, lost in the sound. Buzzcut season, like you're still around. Can't unmiss you, and I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Whoa. So tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Whoa. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs.
And now I'm just cleaning my windows. I'm using Method glass cleaner, and I am cleaning my windows because it's been a while since I cleaned my windows, and I love seeing the scenery while I clean my windows. And I am showing you guys this sponge that I've got that has a handle, and I love it. I got it on Amazon.com, and I will link it down below so you guys can go check it out. Now I'm using Lysol. I love Lysol. I use it basically on everything, and I love using it on my windowsill. I feel like it cleans it better, and my bed where I sleep is right next to it, so I can definitely smell the smell of it, and it smells great.
Before I just can't say, but now my eyes are open wide. If this is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Could it be that on my worst day, how you love me still will not change? What if it's really not about what I do, but what you did? Or what if this ain't wishful thinking, it's just how it is. This ain't wishful thinking.
There I am cleaning it again and drinking coffee, sip sip. I love coffee. I am addicted to coffee. As you guys know, I'm a barista at Starbucks, so I love it. And cleaning and having coffee at the same time boosts my energy. And now I have a basket where I'm putting all my DVDs inside it, so it's not scattered all over the place, and it's not on the table where I keep my TV, and there's space.
So maybe I'm right where I'm supposed to be. And now I'm seeing you so differently, and all I can say is finally, yeah. Could it be that on my worst day, how you love me simply will not change? What if it's really not about what I do, but
bed and cleaning my room. And I appreciate you guys watching this whole video. And if you're here and want to subscribe to the family. I would love you guys to. Don't forget to hit that bell button so every time I post a new video, you guys know when I post. Thank you for watching.